Hi guys, it's Leslie Suarez with eXp Realty. I'm here today to teach you a little bit more about BoldTrail. So today we're going to jump into the Actions tab. To get into the Actions tab from your BoldTrail dashboard, you'll click on your contacts. When you click on your contacts, you can choose a specific contact. Once you click on a specific contact, this one is my fake contact, one that I use as a test account in BoldTrail. But once you're on that contact, you will see three tabs across the top. You have your contact information, your timeline, which will show you what's been done with this person, and then the actions as far as what's going to happen with this person. So the Actions tab is very important because you have a lot of control as to what's going on with your leads and what they are going to get in the future. So it starts off with what things you need to do, as well as it'll show you what tasks you have, if you have upcoming appointments with that person, but then it also shows what emails or what text or how it's going to reach out to your lead on your behalf. So underneath that, you have search alerts, active campaigns, market reports, bold present, listing valuations, seller report. If you're in the US, you do have the ability to invite people to your app, the eXp 360 home app, as well as you can see their files and their transactions. So starting at the top, you will see that you can see what calls have been made, what text messages have been sent, and what emails. You can also add notes to the file, or you can add a task. There also is a More button here, and when you click on that More button, you will see that you can actually update and send evaluation right here. You can unsubscribe them from emails or texts. You can also rerun them through contact distribution. So I do recommend that if there is somebody that has is on the do not call list. You can share contact, you can transfer the contact, merge the contact, make the contact private, delete the contact, export the contact. So much that you can do. Turn off behavioral alerts, find them on Facebook or any sort of social media. So there are a lot of extra options that you can do here in this More button. But underneath that, you will see your Actions tab. Your Actions tab, sometimes it's going to be closed where you won't see it. Let me go back to that. I apologize. So sometimes you'll see just that there's tasks and it'll tell you the number of tasks. But if you click on View All, it'll open this up so that you can see what tasks are due. So this is something that I put on me as a fake lead. I have my son's 4th birthday party coming up this weekend, and so as a joke for this training class, I put an alert saying check in with this person on Monday to see how their son's 4th birthday party went. And I can say that I'm done with that, I can snooze it, or I can edit it. But it is great to be able to set yourself those reminders to check in with people. You can also see all of your tasks, like whether or not you're supposed to call them, check in with them, all of that. But you can add as many as you'd like. So I'll click the View All. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. I apologize. So you can see those tasks. I can mark it as done, but it's telling me that I should check in with this person on Monday at 9:45. It'll also be in my calendar because I have synced my BoldTrail account. If you haven't done that yet, please watch my video on how to sync your account. But this will show me what needs to be done. The next one down is that I can actually add appointments. So if I'm going to go showing property, or if I have a listing appointment with somebody, I can actually put in here listing appointment, that we're going to do it in person or virtually, what date that'll be. So say I have a listing appointment with her this Saturday at 11 a.m. It's going to end at 11:35. I can actually type in the location. I can invite them to the appointment. I can it'll actually show me the agent and the contact. A little bit confusing because I'm using myself as an example, and I can put in some extra notes. Then when I set this appointment, it will actually send me an immediate text message and add it to my calendar. So, and it will also send your lead a text message if you have this little box checked. It'll send them an email and text reminder. So another great feature inside of BoldTrail. But this is where the rubber really hits the road, is underneath these search filters, these search alerts, active campaigns, and everything on this Actions tab from here on out. Because this is what's going to show you what your clients are being emailed, texted, and how they're being reached out to. So we're going to dive deeper into this, and I'm going to do separate videos for the search alerts, active campaigns, market reports, bold present, listing valuations, and seller report. So tune in for more videos to learn a little bit more about how you can edit this Actions tab. Have a great day, guys.